Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camera Jules here with another wig review. Today, before we get into the details of the unit, we have to talk about the lippy. The lippy that I'm wearing today is from Amor and Beauty. I will put the link in the description box below. This is their Lip Smoothie liquid lipstick and it is in the color Barely Nude. So you can see this beautiful nude color. And now into the details of this unit. This beautiful bob wig that I'm wearing today is from Celie Hair. Celie Hair was kind enough to send me this wig for review. Thank you so much to Celie Hair. I appreciate you for sending me this wig. Beautiful color. Purple is my favorite color. So it came in this beautiful purple satin bag. We've got some lashes. We've got this cute blue bonnet and an edge scarf. It is a 14-inch bob. This is the front of the wig, so you can see all of this space here. And you've got 3 combs here at the front. You've got your comb here in the middle at the back, and you've got your adjustable straps. And then you have this little bit of lace here in case you kind of wanted to do an updo, but I mean, this is a bob. This is what the parting looks like. Before I cut the lace, so you can see it matches really well. This is very cute. I love the colors. Very beautiful highlights. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace and then we will talk about this beautiful highlights here. So this is the left side, this is the right side, this is the back. The length of this wig is 14 inches. I am 5'2.5". Yes, that counts. But I like to say my height so that you guys can kind of get a bit of a reference on how it may fall on you depending on your height. So you can see some flyaways here. But nothing that a good flat iron or even mousse or what do they call them? Edge sticks or wax sticks? Those would do very well. I actually have a line called Don't Touch My Hair, and their wax stick is really good. But this is a very cute wig. Very easy, breezy. Pretty much throw on and go. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't even put powder in the part as yet. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use my MAC Block Press Powder in the color Dark. And don't laugh at my brush. I say it often. The handle broke, but it still works. Okay, so I'm gonna put some powder in there to define the part a little bit. I know it looks a little messy right now, but we are going to fix that. And then just use my fingers to make it blend in better. So now it's more defined. I am not getting any tangling. I am getting just a little bit of shedding, but that might be as a result of the lightening. Whenever hair is lightened, it does make the hair a little bit weaker and more prone to breakage. But very nice, very soft, very light. Half size is actually quite big, so it is definitely big head friendly. This is what it looks like. I haven't glued it down, so it is actually past ear to ear, so that is laying on my ear. So I would definitely have to customize this. If I want to glue it down, I would have to actually cut the lace off. You can see my wig grip under there, but definitely big head friendly. Definitely big head friendly. My head's about 21 and a half. I actually had to fasten adjustable straps all the way to the middle to make it comfortable. So it's comfortable on me now. So this wig is definitely big head friendly. I will put the link to this wig in the description box below. And if there's a coupon code, I will also share that in the description box below. Yes, this is the wig for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That way you will see things that I don't upload here on YouTube. See whenever I do some restyling. Sometimes I don't review every week that I get, but I'll post it on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. It is @KimeraJewels. And also, if the notifications don't work here, I will let you know on Instagram as well. We can't forget to do wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance. Hey. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.